Lost your iPhone calendar? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you easy ways to restore deleted or missing calendars and get your schedule back on track. Part 1. Why have I lost my calendar on my iPhone? System crash, weak network, app deleted, iOS update, factory reset, wrong time zone, low storage. Part 2. How to restore calendar on iPhone. Method 1. Retrieve calendar on iPhone via iCloud.com. Go to iCloud.com and log in. Click the grid icon, Data Recovery, Restore Calendars. Select a date, click Restore, and confirm. You'll get a notification when it's done. Method 2. Restore calendar on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Connect your iPhone to the backup computer. Open iTunes, select your device, click Restore Backup. Choose the backup with your calendar and hit Restore. Wait for it to finish and restart. Method 3. Retrieve calendar from Mac. Disconnect internet. Use Time Machine to restore calendar. Export as ICs file. Create iCloud calendar. Import ICs. After syncing, delete local calendar. Method 4. Recover calendar on iPhone from Finder. Connect iPhone to Mac via USB. Open Finder, select your iPhone. Go to General, click Restore Backup. Pick a backup and hit Restore. Wait for it to finish and restart. Method 5. Restore calendar on iPhone with Doctor for iOS. If you're looking to restore your iPhone's calendar without using iCloud or an iTunes backup, we've got the perfect solution for you. Mobican Doctor for iOS is here to help you recover your lost calendar events without needing a backup. Step 1. Run Doctor for iOS. First, download and open Doctor for iOS on your PC or Mac. Once the program is running, you'll see 3 recovery options: Recover from iOS device, Recover from iTunes backup file, and Recover from iCloud. Step 2. Scan iTunes backup data. In this step, we'll focus on recovering from an iTunes backup. Choose the iTunes backup you need, then click Start Scan. Next, select Calendar from the list of data types and click Start Scan again to begin scanning your backup for calendar events. Step 3. Recover iPhone calendar. Once the scan is complete, all of your calendar events from the iTunes backup will appear. On the right-hand panel, you can preview the events and select the ones you want to recover. Click Recover to Computer to save them to your PC or Mac. How to recover calendar from iCloud with Doctor for iOS. Select Recover from iCloud, sign in, choose Calendar, next pick Calendars. Click Recover to Computer.